Hey YouTube, the day has come. I finally decided to sell all my airsoft collection. I counted around 71 rifles, 29 pistols, and a bunch of helmets, scopes, magazines, and miscellaneous items. For anybody interested, I do live in Northern California. Right now, I'm trying to sell everything in bulk. Like I said, it's over 110 items total. So I'm gonna try and sell them the next month in bulk. If not, if you see anything that interests you in the next month or so, send me messages and I could probably sell them individually. But if you're local to Northern California, around the area, and you want to get a really nice collection, please message me, leave a comment, and we can get in touch. There is a lot of cool stuff in here. I do have 3 BARs, the Browning automatic rifles, about 11, 12 AKMs. There's a lot of World War II replicas here. Man, newer stuff. A couple of English assault rifle replicas. Anything that you could think of, I have. Anyways, guys, I'll leave you with the rest of the video. Please check everything out. I think I'll make a second video with some better angles of the guns. It's just a little bit late today, and this is what I could record. So thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to send an offer for everything, please send an offer and we can talk. Peace.